Hey everyone, welcome back to Shona Kid. Like and subscribe to the channel before we began. In a quiet village nestled between verdant hills lived a young boy named Haider. Known for his kindness and diligence, Haider spent his days learning and helping his neighbors. Filled with a deep sense of faith, Haider practiced his daily prayers and fasted during Ramadan, embodying the spirit of humility and devotion. One day, as the village prepared for Eid al-Fitr, a festive time marking the end of Ramadan, a widow named Fatimah fell ill and was unable to prepare for the celebrations. Hearing of her plight, Haider felt a stir in his heart and knew he had to help. Under the teachings of his parents and the guidance of his local mosque, Haider understood the importance of charity, an essential pillar of Islam known as Zakat. He gathered his savings and bought the necessary supplies for Fatimah's Eid celebrations. With assistance from his friends, Haider cooked a hearty meal and decorated Fatimah's home, ensuring she felt the joy and warmth of the festive day. On the morning of Eid, after offering his prayers at the mosque, Haider visited Fatimah's home. Her face lit up with gratitude as she witnessed the transformation of her house. "May Allah bless you, young Haider, for your kindness," Fatimah said with tears of joy. Haider's actions inspired many in the village, reminding them of the virtues of generosity and compassion. The village celebrated Eid with renewed unity, experiencing the essence of community and faith. This story of Haider, the little village hero, illustrates that genuine generosity and compassion are timeless virtues that create a ripple of goodness across communities, reflecting the true spirit of Islam. Hope to see you again for another wonderful story. Bye.